Hi everyone. Just got a package that was delivered to me, graciously by BlackVue to actually review their new SAFY9 Dashcam. Used to actually run ADR900, but that's actually failed. So these guys have actually sent me something to review for you guys. So please note that they did actually send this to me. I haven't actually bought it, but the opinions are my own. So let's get into it. The unit itself, as well as the hardwired kit. So you can actually purchase this as a set for the two, or you can actually just have it singly as well. So you can either have just the actual dash cam, and you can actually additionally add the hardwire set for parking mode later on. So here's actually what's inside. Let's get into these ones as well. So quick start manual. Got the rear mounts. Also got chargers, pry tool, the rear camera, that's the front camera as well. Cool. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside the package of the SAFY9. So you've got the front and the rear cameras. You have the micro SD card, 256 in this case. You've got the pry bar. You've got the mounting bracket for the rear cameras. You've actually got a USB-A car charger and power cable, electrostatic stickers, an extra mount tape, the quick start guide, as well as the cable to actually connect the front and the rear cameras, and the power as well. So the key specs for this particular model is a little bit different to the BlackVue. So there is no cloud. However, the front camera has a 4K resolution, and the rear has a full HD. Sorry. So the front sensor is a STARVIS IMX415. And at the back, you've actually got a 3.16 inch IPS screen. It has Wi-Fi as well as GPS. So it also can come with the hardwire kit. So you can purchase this separately or together with the actual unit. And this actually enables parking mode for motion, impact, and time-lapse recording. So here you've actually got the unit itself. You have the actual lens. Moving around to here for the actual rear, and this is the power as well as the micro SD. Moving on to the back, you've got the 3.16 inch screen, and on this side you've just got the power button and the resets. Now, moving on to the bottom, you've just got the multifunctional keys that will actually tell you what to do once the unit's on. On the rear camera, you've just got the actual lens itself here, as well as just a connection to the side there, and that's the mounting points. Installing the dashcam was surprisingly straightforward, and it only took me about 30 minutes from start to finish. Just make sure that you actually plan where you'd like to put the unit at the front and the rear of the vehicle. The instructions were pretty clear. All the necessary parts and cables were included, so I didn't need to buy anything else extra, which is great. So the only difference is, because I actually have the hardwired kit, you have to actually ensure you know which of the fuses to take out. there might be a bit of trial and error, but if you have a multimeter, they'll actually make life a lot easier. Once this is installed, you actually have the camera turning on. It will actually guide you through on the screen on the back what you need to do, set your time and date, install the app, which highly recommend. It makes life a lot easier in configuring all the different modes on the actual camera. Once you've done that, it'll actually format the memory card and it's ready to go. So going on to the image quality of the unit, the front camera is actually very clear, as you can see. It's daytime at the moment, so most cameras will actually do a very good job here. Other than that, the rear camera, having a sedan, I think there's a little bit too much reflections on the back. Now, SAFY don't actually have a polarizing filter available for this unit yet, but hopefully they do in future. If you've got like a station wagon or an SUV or a hatchback that has a more vertical rear screen, this might not be a problem for you. So seeing the overlay between the front and rear cameras, you can see the difference in the quality. The front cameras being 4K is absolutely fantastic and clear, nice and sharp. The rear, it's actually doing a pretty good job. It won't pick up the number plates as clearly. However, it will actually show you, if someone's actually rear-ended you. Taking everything into account, despite a couple of minor drawbacks, namely the front mounts being a little bit too easy to move and the rear camera needing a polarizing filter, the video quality and easy installation of this dashcam is a solid choice to recommend to family and friends. Once again, I would like to thank BlackVue for sending me this unit to review and look forward to what they release next. Thanks guys, and hope to see you in the next video.